Energy is the lifeblood of our civilization. However, as our energy demand rises, so does the pressure on our planet. The use of fossil fuels has resulted in the release of harmful gases into the atmosphere and the destruction of our natural environment. The Sun, our nearest star, has indescribable power, a power that humanity has harnessed in the form of solar energy, the third largest renewable energy source after hydropower and wind. A solution that has been around for millions of years and is now more accessible than ever. Hello and welcome to my channel, The Technical Domain. Guys, if you are new in my channel, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also press the bell icon so that you get notified of every contents we create. Keep watching until the end to find out more about ongoing solar technology. With the Sun providing more than 10,000 times the amount of energy needed to power the world, solar technology is advancing rapidly to allow us to harness as much of this energy as possible. This technology has come a long way in recent years. Since 2010, the cost of solar panels has dropped dramatically, dropping by more than 80% in less than 12 years, making them more affordable for households and businesses. The energy generated by solar panels is clean, renewable, and sustainable. It doesn't emit any pollutants and doesn't contribute to global warming. Today we are going to talk about some solar trends we have to follow in the upcoming year, which is going to revolutionize our world. Solar technologies we have to follow. Perovskite solar cells are a new type of solar cell that may be more efficient and less expensive than traditional silicon-based solar cells. They are created through a solution-based process and can be made from a variety of materials, making them more adaptable and flexible. However, they are still in the early stages of development and face challenges that must be overcome before they can be commercialized, such as long-term stability and material costs. Despite this, they are regarded as a promising technology for increasing solar power adoption. Concentrated solar power, CSP, systems use mirrors to concentrate the sun's energy and convert it into heat, which is then used to generate electricity via a steam turbine or engine. They use a field of mirrors called heliostats to reflect and focus sunlight onto a receiver, which is located on top of a tower. The receiver absorbs the concentrated sunlight and converts it into heat, which is then used to produce steam. The steam then drives a turbine, which generates electricity. CSP systems can store the heat they generate, which allows them to generate electricity even when the sun is not shining. They are efficient and well suited for providing power during periods of high demand. However, they require large areas of land and the cost of the mirrors and receivers can be high. Even with certain challenges present, concentrated solar power systems are still considered a viable option for increasing the use of solar energy in the future. Building integrated photovoltaics, BIPV, is a revolutionary solar technology that integrates solar cells into building materials like the roof or walls. They generate electricity while also adding to the building's design. These systems can be used for the building's own use or to feed excess electricity into the grid. They have many benefits, including saving space, adding aesthetic value, and protecting the solar cells from environmental factors. While BIPV is considered promising for increasing solar power adoption, they may require experienced professionals for installation and may be more expensive than traditional systems. Floating solar arrays or floating photovoltaics, a cutting-edge technology that utilizes bodies of water as a base for solar panels, not only generate clean energy, but also conserve water and improve its quality. They perform well in hot climates and save land spaces. An energy gain of 5% to 15% results from increased panel efficiency brought on by the water's natural cooling impact close to the solar panels. Some of the huge mega projects, with more than 100 megawatts, currently under productions, are 320 megawatt, the Thingjuang, 150 megawatt Three Gorges Dam, Quainan project, and 100 megawatts by Tata Power Solar in Kayakulam, India. In comparison to ground-mounted systems, the cost of a floating system is 20 to 25% more and also comes with a high installation and maintenance cost. This technology might have potential impact on aquatic life according to its location impact. Despite these challenges, experts view this technology as a promising solution for increasing solar power adoption in the future. Solar roads, a revolutionary technology that embeds solar panels into the surface of roads to generate electricity, has the potential to bring solar power to places where traditional panels may not be feasible, such as urban areas, while also conserving land. Wireless charging will be possible on solar roads, allowing electric vehicles to be charged simply by moving over them. However, being a new technology, it still faces challenges like cost, durability, and safety, as several solar roads are facing such challenges that needs to be addressed before it can be widely adopted. Solar power plants like this can generate enough energy to power entire communities. It's a small step, but a great one in the right direction. A step towards a cleaner and more sustainable future. The sun is our most powerful source of energy. Let's harness it, for the good of our planet and for future generations. The potential of solar energy is limitless, and as more and more people turn to this clean and sustainable source of energy, we take a step towards a greener and more sustainable future for upcoming generations. This was all for today, guys, and I hope you liked this video. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon to never miss the similar informative contents like this. Keep watching and supporting me. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.